Alright, first impressions of BlackBird. Oh wow. Oh yeah. It's still good, you know.
You like the BB Props?
Oh, they're so
like you were shredding them, man.
Let's go for the dive! Oh, no, DJI is very laggy. Let's avoid that. Let's go for the dive, go for the dive, go for the dive, go for the dive.
Oh my gosh. Better than the S-Band Props, isn't he?
Ah, no!
Definitely better than the S-Band Props.
I do not, I don't know. I do like the pop you get with them.
Yeah. That's literally what they were.
Even on 1750 kV motors as well. What? Whoa! Alright! Yeah, it's not getting stuck on the roof. Ah! The sun's in my eyes. Oh, I see it. Oh, there's like a load of barrels down there. I've not actually been down there before. I can't even see where I'm meant to come up from. Ah, there's a gate! Ah! Okay, I see it. Go for the dive! Go for the dive! Ah!
Whoa!
Right, yeah. You should like do a like a slow motion video of me coming up from this.
Yeah.
Oh, not like that. Alright. Okay. Oh, the wrong one. Oh! Come on, come on, come on! Whoa! Oh, I see like there's a pipe on the roof. Try and do it. Okay. You watch this, guys. Ready? Oh, okay. Try it again.
Yeah.
That'll do. Oh, they've got some. The low throttle resolution is great on these as well. Oh, that's so fun. And it recorded, yes. And it recorded.
That sounded nuts, that pack did.
Oh, it's well fun diving, like, in between. Like, going from there, I dive straight and coming down from there.
Fuck. What do you think of those props?
They're really responsive. I think, I think I like them better than my S-Bangs, you know.
Fuck. See what I got.
They are good, but I've had these before and they end up breaking on me. So hopefully I'll be right.
Damn. Sick.
Really good.
Sick.
I'm impressed.